Hey guys! Okay, so full transparency, I made this video like 2-3 years ago and I just forgot to edit it. And let me not just act like it ain't been 6 months since I've been on YouTube. I got really busy, but I'm back now. So I went to go get lashes for the first time with my friend Michelle's Beauty. Her name is Michelle. I actually really need to go back to get a facial. This is my first time, so if you're thinking about it, go ahead and tune in. I got a classic lash set. So I'll just go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of the video. More? Guys, she just asked me, does she think she needs more shells?
I think I need a little bit more.
Do you think she needs more shells? What? I can't. Hi, we're here.
Hi, I'm Michelle.
So, I'm about to get my lashes done for the first time.
Yeah, she's gonna get some classic lashes for her first time.
Okay, how long do they last?
If you take care of them really good, they should last 2 to 3 weeks, and then you can come get a fill between that time frame. I usually like doing a fill 2 weeks.
I did not know you could do fills on lashes.
Yeah, so this would be a full set, and then next time you can come get a fill, and yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay, and like, how do I take care of them?
You don't want to get them wet for 24 hours, and then try not to like go into like a steam room or something.
Okay.
Also don't try not to sleep on them, because then you'll squish them. And then yeah, don't try to take them off yourself, because
that's what's gonna ask too, like, how do I get them off?
No, if you need them off, come here and I can take care of that for you.
Perfect. Okay.
I hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these better niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Is it comfortable when you close your eyes? Okay.
Yes, all you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, address you. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, address you. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so.
So we finished, and these are the classics. Classic lashes. Cute.
Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you